What is this? Ooh, NASCAR. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what is this? He called me Mr. Mike. Oh, what? What? Okay. I like this drawstring. This will come in handy for sure. Lanyard's a must for a hot pass later. Oh, dude, no way. It's what I've been asking for, is a flag. I'm not gonna open it now because I'm gonna have to take this home in the luggage and I don't want to mess it up. I've been asking for a huge flag so I can hang up in the shop. And I got a sweater. Oh, soda sissy. Good morning. Sorry I didn't say good morning. I just literally was gonna walk outside and then all of a sudden I got a knock on the door with this. I'm glad I didn't walk out any earlier. This entire weekend is NASCAR stuff, really exciting. I love the sport. It's one of those sports you gotta understand the strategies to like it. So I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. NASCAR Hall of Fame. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of this place. It's pretty cool. If you guys are Cars fans, this is the place. La 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 cha 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 la 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 la. Soldi, 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 tanti soldi, beati siano I soldi, I bene amati soldi perché. What are those? I need that. They said I can grab a monster.
And you see the banking increases as we walk up, and that at the top of it, it's 33 degrees, which is equal to the banking of Talladega Super Speedway.
Look at this. The bank is pretty crazy. Give you guys perspective. 33 degrees at Talladega. Look at this. The cars are just badass. We got Zach over here. Okay.
I want to do them like I'm yelling at the driver.
About to go for a race.
The fourth corner, the pace car is going to pull on the pit road. It says green flag, hit the gas, shift up to third, and then eventually fourth, and you're going to leave it at fourth for the entire lap.
All right, I am racing in a simulator in a, look, full-size car. That's cool. Don't get to climb in, but I can walk in. I'm in a real race car, guys. This is so cool. Am I even tall enough for this? You want to bet I can drift this, though? You want to bet? For games. This is probably one of the cooler things I've done in a while. Oh, you know, just revving it. Yeah. Do a burnout. Foot on the brake. First gear. Gas. I'm legit doing a burnout. Look. Come on, right behind the pace car. No one's following rules. Look at them. You can't pass me.
They'll help you. Just stop right there. Later.
That's why you split. All right. Here's what we're doing, boys and girls. Teams of two. Tire change person is only going to do one job. The other person's got two jobs. Do the easy jobs. 2, 1, go!
So, welcome to Touch Tunes. Yeah. So you can put in the dollar or whatever.
Wow.
It's got all my music. Everything from The Voice.
Look at you.
Yeah.
I'm with the famous man right here.
It is.
Say does that
Star-Spangled Banner yet waving. We good. The land of the free and the home of the brave.
One more time for Zach Seaball for his performance of our national.
Excuse me while I kiss the sky.